Welcome back to another video. My name is Max. This is my E46 Drift car. And today we're going to talk about how this happened. Let's get into it. Strap in tight. Hee-hoo!
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Sun's back it up. All night. Had a lot of fun. Hit a couple walls. Chased some friends. Thanks for watching. Well, made it back to the shop. Another really productive, fun night at Sonoma Drift Wednesday night. Another neat little new feature on the car is wall tap carnage. So that's after 3 walls. The first 2 I grazed really lightly, the last one not so much. Thank you, Cameron, for the taillight to get me home. I owe you big. That saved me. So I destroyed my taillight hitting that wall. I'll try to post a picture. It hit the only Jersey barrier nothing else around, just that one little barrier. I managed to hit it, so I guess now I'm a true bona fide drifter. Got the damage to prove it. So until next time, guys, thanks for joining me. Peace.